case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2008 legal battle, the sister of a deceased prosecutor took one of America's largest media conglomerates to court. Patricia Conradt filed a lawsuit against NBC Universal, seeking over $100 million in damages for the death of her brother, Louis Conradt Jr. The case, Conradt XRALL, Conradt v. NBC Universal Inc., was heard by the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York and may have changed the way television interacts with law enforcement. Louis Conradt Jr., an assistant district attorney, was prominently featured in the controversial NBC show To Catch a Predator, which leads to his tragic suicide. Alleging that the show demonstrated an irresponsible and reckless intrusion into law enforcement, Patricia Conradt sued, adding claims for intentional infliction of emotional distress and civil rights violations per Section 1983. NBC Universal attempted to have the charges dismissed, a motion the court only partially approved. The court determined there was a fair issue concerning the reasonableness of the police officers and NBC's actions in the case, particularly whether aspects of the warrant execution depicted on the show were inherently fictional dramatization serving no legitimate law enforcement purpose. Although the court dismissed Patricia Conradt's charges of negligence and unjust enrichment, it allowed her claims of emotional distress and civil rights violations to proceed to trial. The court dismissed NBC's argument that Louis Conradt Jr.'s suicide was an intervening cause, noting that the estate was suing for other injuries as well. Interestingly, the court underlined that Texas laws meant that Patricia lacked standing to assert claims for injury to reputation and invasion of privacy in her own name. These could only be brought by or on behalf of individuals who were actually the subject of the wrongful acts. Nonetheless, the case marked a significant moment in televising law enforcement in action, potentially curbing reckless behavior and ensuring a more ethical approach.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.